Let's talk about the watch list for Tradingview. Okay, so we're on tradingview.com. We signed into our profile and we have our watch list over here. Let's go ahead and move this. If we drag right here, it'll give you an arrow and you could drag down and we could just get rid of that. I just keep that pretty much like that. So now we can see our watch list from top to bottom. The watch lists are cool because you can use them as bookmarks and or favorites. So I just set this up. This is a new account. These are the ticker symbols that come on default when you start an account. What you can do if you want to get rid of them, there's an X over here and that deletes them. And if you want to add some, there's a plus button up here. Click that. Then you can search for the stock or cryptocurrency you're looking for. Let's go ahead and search for Cardano, assuming that we don't know what the ticker symbol is. Okay, so we came up with some results. In the description, it had Cardano. Right here, we can see the ticker symbol ADA USDT. Over here, we see what exchange it's on. Let's go ahead and add the Binance chart. And then we'll also add Cardano to Bitcoin on Binance. I want to add Coinbase, but I don't see it right here. So let's get the ticker symbol and we'll search for ADA. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see Coinbase is right here. In the description is ADA to USD. So in some coins, it's not going to work perfect. You're going to want to look at the ticker symbol and then search for that after you find it. Let's go ahead and add Coinbase to our chart. Okay, so now we have Cardano to Tether on Binance right here. We have Cardano to Bitcoin on Binance. We have Cardano on USD on the Coinbase chart. Okay, so we added some crypto to the watch list. Let's add some stocks and maybe some ETFs. Alright, so let's go with maybe Walgreens. Okay, so it popped up right away. Walgreens Boots Alliance WBA. We can go ahead and hit that plus sign. And then let's go ahead and add maybe ARK. ARK has a couple different investment funds. You can kind of go through them. There's ARK, ARK-G. Let's go with ARK Innovation. That's the main one. And let's do VOO. VOO is like the S&P. I think it's the Vanguard S&P pretty much. So let's add this one as well. So those are some stocks and some ETFs that we have added now. And now we can do the technical analysis on those. We'll have bookmarks to just get to them real quick. One cool thing is if you click on one of them, hold shift and click on another one, you can select multiple and then you can drag those multiple up and down. So let's go ahead and drag them to the top. The other thing I like is you can put flags on certain ticker symbols to kind of make them stand out. You only get one color with the free version, but on other versions you have multiple colors. I just have the free version, so I only get the red one. I do like this though because it is one way to organize your ticker symbols. The other thing I really like about this watch list is that it shows you the percentage gained and the percentage lost right here. You can also see the current price right now of this asset. So yeah, I suggest you play around with it, add all your favorite coins to your watch list. This way when you jump online, all your percentages are going to be right there and you can see what's doing what. In my next video, I'll be showing you my watch list and how I organize mine and actually what's on there. Alright, if you guys think these videos are helpful, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to watch the next video on the playlist. Let me know what you guys think. You guys have a great day.